almost certain that I'm not alone in this frustration with our State Department of Treasury.
Roughly 5% of Michigan filers are still waiting for their state tax return. Lori Powers is among them. She tells me that she did her taxes in March. It's now mid-June, and Powers is still waiting for her refunds.
Federal came in refund came back about 2 weeks after filing, and I still don't have the state refund.
Lori Powers says this has never happened before. She's used the same accountant to do her taxes for about 12 years. Nothing was different in her taxes, and she's now among the 5% of filers in Michigan still waiting.
I've needed that money. I was banking on getting that back up in March, by the end of March. Now I'm hoping by the end of July that they'll come through with it.
At this point, are you frustrated about that?
Very much so. That's why I reached out, because I've called them, I've called many times and you can't get through. When I have gotten through, the lines are busy and you need to call at another time. And then I've done their e-messaging a lot.
Her messages through the online portal went unanswered until June 11th. The response acknowledged her request for information on her return, but there was no definitive answer as to when she would get her refund. I reached out to the spokesperson for the Treasury this afternoon. He tells me that under state law, he can't speak about a person's tax return. The spokesperson says tax returns that remain unprocessed fall into categories where they have missing or incorrect information, require identity verification, have higher than typical complexities with multiple schedules or credits, or must be offset to address the potential debt or court-ordered garnishments. Treasury continues processing tax returns from previous and current tax years, as well as returns with extensions throughout the year. However, Powers says that she received no notice about her return having something wrong with it.
There wasn't anything unique about it.
The Michigan Department of Treasury says that they replaced a 40-year-old system at the end of last year. They say the new system is capable of doing the tax administration. They also are aware of problems with people getting through by phone. The current phone system can't handle the demand. They will update that next month. In the meantime, Powers continues to wait for her money.